Yesterday's video, day 93, discussed the urge to do nothing. So today I bumped into some very clear signs that support that. As I began my daily journaling session today, I received a message from my Headspace app. It was called a mindful moment, and the message said, impatience, frustration, and irritability are all signs to find space, step back, and breathe. That's an interesting message from the universe. It's very timely. And here are the additional signs that showed up that support that message. I got up early, as I usually do. I took care of the house pets, and then I went back to bed. What? I know you're asking, but you did hear me correctly. I have a terrible track record about sleep patterns, solid sleep patterns. And I'm just as surprised as you are because I went back to bed. I took care of all my morning morning necessities for the house pets and stuff. And then I just curled up with the big dog in bed and I slept in. And I slept so well that my Oura Ring cannot stop celebrating my excellent sleep score. Well, that was one sign that supports the find space thing. But some other ones that happened is the random number generator that I have in the program that I'm following for myself, which is just run the generator and it turns to that page in the journaling. Rather than step-by-step linear, I'm using the random number generator, and it took me to a blank page. So on the page next to the blank page was something. It's going to be a new unit of journaling discussion. It's called Apply the 4 Practices. And I look forward to this discussion when it's the appropriate time, when the random number generator, the universe is telling me it's time to go there. But the key word on that page title for me is apply. So I looked back at my initial message from the universe about finding space, stepping back, and I'm going to pay attention to those words. I'm going to find space, step back, breathe. Isn't the universe so helpful? If you take the time to tune into it and listen to it. I struggled with a soggy weekend, shocking news about the flooding disasters across central Texas, and then concerns about the frightening weather's impact as the torrential rains were just pouring down. I mean, pouring down. I had 7 inches of rain in a few number of days. So the universe is instructing me today to find space, step back, and breathe. And I think that's good advice. I will heed those instructions starting now. I hope you join me.